In conclusion, we are now looking at research.google.com, and there is a certain subset of this site that will give you access to the published papers from individuals working at Google. And quite a bit of the work that Google does is research. And you can actually go to look for your search term to see if there is any research significance through Google. Now, of course, you may have to broaden your term or you may have to narrow it down, but you will typically be able to find that there has been some research done in proximity to a topic that you are looking at. So in this particular case, we're going to write in low carb. And this may not be of significance, so we might have to broaden out the search. And you'll see 19 published papers from individuals from Google. Now again, this doesn't mean that it will have direct relevance in terms of the research that you're doing, but it will give you insight as to what the people at Google are doing around your search term and how it relates to how it's being treated in the index. Most of the research is machine learning as well as marketing, but occasionally you will find some research that is behavioral in its approach. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.